Let us look at the various properties of logarithms. These properties help us to simplify a lot of logarithmic equations. So if you have a log of a number to the same base as the same number, it is going to get you 1. Why 1? Because a raised to power 1 is a, right? In the same way, if you have log of 1 to the base something like a, it is going to give you 0. Why 0? Because a raised to 0 is going to give you 1. That's why log of 1 to any base is equal to 0. Right? These are two very important properties of logarithms. Let us now look at some other properties. If you have to calculate the log of x times y, then it is going to give you the log of x plus the log of y. Base remains the same. Right? So the easier way to remember this is that whenever you have multiplication, you make it an addition, right? When you simplify it. And when you have a division in the log, you simplify it to a minus or a subtraction, right? So if you have to calculate the log of x by y, it is equivalent to the log of x minus the log of y, base remaining the same. Now if you have to calculate the log of x raised to p, it is equivalent to p times log of x, right? So to remember this, if there's an exponent, it becomes multiplication, right? So this p comes down to the left of this log. Alright, let's move ahead. When you have a log of some number to the base some number, you can write it as log of that number divided by the log of its base. Right, so you can even write it as log of x divided by log of a. Right, when you don't give the base, you consider it a common logarithm in which the base is 10. Right, so this is one property to be remembered. Now you can also extend this further, this property. This can be written as equals to 1 by log of a by log of x, isn't it? And that can be written as 1 upon log of a to the base x. We can exchange the number and its base. So this is one thing that needs to be remembered. Alright, let us solve one problem relating to these properties. What is the log of 1 by 81 to the base 3? Well, we can apply a property of logarithms here. This can be written as log to the base 3 of 1 minus log to the base 3 of 81, isn't it? This property, right? Log to the base a x by y is equals to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. So we have used this property. Now log of 1 to the base anything is going to give you 0, right? This property, log of 1 to the base a, is going to get you 0, right? Why 0? Because 3 raised to 0 is 1 minus log of 81 to the base 3. Now to solve this, what raised to 3 is 81? Well, 3 raised to 4 is 81, right? So log of 81 to the base 3 is going to give you 4, right? So this is equals to minus 4. Hence the value of this term, log of 1 by 81 to the base 3, is 4. So this is how you use properties of logarithms to simplify logarithmic expressions.